Chapow!
Dude, our neighbors are like, what the heck is going on?
Welcome to Wager Wars. Hayden Woosley is back.
What's up?
As you might have seen in one of our previous videos, we had a bit of a falling out. But then we had a falling back in, so we're back. What have we fallen in?
Companionship.
Aww. If you're watching this, you've probably already seen the other ones, but just as a brief recap, we're gonna each make wagers. You get points if you get it right, and the last round is weird. This time we're only gonna do 2 rounds because time is limited. Any thoughts?
The Pickle Rick thing doesn't make sense to me. I've never seen the context.
I like bananas.
Okay, we're next thing.
We're playing back. For my first challenge, I'm going to be challenging one of you
To a challenge?
Yes, in this challenge I'll be challenging Caleb to a game of Extreme Pig. So, that's my challenge. I bet I can beat Caleb.
I bet no.
Yeah, I think Caden's gonna win, realistically.
Cause we're playing basket.
Round 1.
I will let Caleb go first.
What do I do with this? Extreme.
Oh! Nice pass. Oh!
Oh, I chow on hush puppies.
I chow on hush puppies.
Oh!
Make this a patriotic statement, okay? I love hush puppies. That imposter doesn't really love hush puppies like I do. So if you're a true hush puppy lover out there, join me.
How?
I don't know.
Okay, we're running out of time.
Do you love Extreme? Because if so, you'll chow on this hush puppy. You love b-ball as much as you love hush puppies?
I am a hush puppy.
I win!
You get a point. I get a point for guessing correctly. This is your challenge. So, what's the rules?
You unscrew your water bottle. You drink it all. Whoever has their water bottle completely drank, cap on this white circle first is the winner.
For the record, you're betting that you can beat everyone.
Yes.
I'm betting that one of us is gonna beat you. All right, so it's us versus him. Who's counting it?
Go.
My teeth are so cold. No! Victory! Yes, yours fell.
I said put it on. It doesn't matter if it falls.
Dude. Rule clarification. Caleb had his down first, so he does win. So Caleb, you now have 1 point.
Why did you use a knife?
Were you trying to shotgun a water bottle?
Did it work?
Halfway through, but then I choked on the water.
Got some gum here and try to blow a bubble large as, I don't know, as big as this within 1 minute. Okay.
How good is he at chewing and blowing bubbles with bubble gum?
He had braces for a while, so he's out of practice.
I'm gonna say no.
Here.
On your mark. Get set.
Wait.
Go!
We need an actual timer.
Two.
We need an actual timer.
3. No one has a watch right now.
6,
No.
9,
No.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 28, 29, 30, 31, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 60.
That's too much. Done. Oh well.
Round 2.
Wait. We forgot. Come on back in frame.
Hey, you listen to me. You don't listen to me.
Please don't assault the camera. I forgot to mention, so points-wise, we were all tied at 1 going into this round. I lost. Y'all both said that I was going to lose, correct?
Yep. Yeah.
All right, so they each have 2. I have 1. But the good news is, this next round, everything is worth 2 points.
Round 2.
Final round. We are each going to write down a thingy on a piece of paper and then draw them randomly. And if you get it, you get 2 points.
Let's head to the next scene, baby. Hey guys, what's up? If I should make a vlog channel, get this video to 100 likes.
What should they do if they don't want you to make a vlog?
If you don't want me to make a vlog video, hit 200 likes.
A few moments later.
Pick one. Build a cooler Lego scene.
You have a certain amount of time to build a scene using Legos against me or Ben.
Yeah, we'll have 5 minutes to complete a scene, and the theme is monster attack of cheese. However you want to interpret that. 5, 3, go. Caleb immediately went for some base plates. Caden went for some figures. I see a lot of monsters. I don't see a lot of cheese just yet.
And that's coming.
Shout out to Golden Brick Bros Studios, one of our amazing subscribers. Hit 100 subscribers a while ago.
Did he actually?
Yeah, he did. If anything, he should be shouting us out. Leave a comment and we'll pin it. Maybe, if I remember. This is coming together nicely. I'm gonna blur it out though so it doesn't spoil. So, you know, we wanna make sure we keep the anticipation. I'll put in like those Brick Masters or Lego Masters. I'll put that music over it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time.
Whoa, whoa.
Caleb, could you please explain to me this scene? 5% battery. That's not great.
So what we have here is we have the monsters. We've got the guy from Ninjago, Cave Troll, Slime Guy, and the Yeti. We have here the Cheese Gold, Fort Knox, Fort Cheese. Then we have the Halo, Pirate, Aztec Guy, Robot, Alien, and Gamer. Oh, I forgot about Piggy. Piggy's also trying to protect it, but he's kind of useless. He's just a guy in a pig suit. He's like delusional.
And the scene over here?
This is a multiverse recreation from Avengers Endgame. Okay, we don't have the Infinity Gauntlet. We have the cheese, which you can see right here. They had a spaceship which crashed and it killed Green Lantern and Miles Morales. Kobe Bryant with Spider-Man and Michelangelo.
A tribute.
Yeah.
All right, upon deliberation with myself, I feel that both of you have done the monsters particularly well, and the person that I felt represented the cheese better as what I had in my mind. The Senor Woozles, I liked the solid block. I would love to eat cheese that was that big related to how large I am. No one got points for that. Alright. Name 5 current world leaders of a country. Joe Biden, Vladimir Putin, Justin Trudeau.
Yes, that's
I don't know.
fail.
Okay. And your challenge.
Blindfolded taste test. Guess 3 real foods. Must get 2 of them right. What if I get 1.5?
We'll cross that bridge if we come to it. Alright, wait, so you have 2, you have 2. I have 1, so I can't win.
Hey guys, I'm currently waiting for them to gather the foods for the taste test of the back itches. I got this Kanye West song stuck in my head. Little arm muscle right here. What else can I talk about? This is like ASMR. They should hurry up. Comment. I got this bracelet. I like it. Ben's gonna laugh when he sees this.
I've got a spoon. We've got 3 items.
Wait, why is it a spoon? That means they're like...
You'll see.
the hush puppies about it.
Trying not to spill it.
Open your mouth.
Okay,
No.
it's not, it's a real food, right?
Yes, it's a real food. It's nothing crazy. Alright. Get it all. Get it all.
What's wrong with you? Drink it.
How many guesses do I have?
1.
Lemon juice.
Yeah, it was lemon juice.
Correct.
We just wanted to sear your taste buds first.
I can't taste anything.
Here comes.
It's spilling on me.
I'm sorry. I'm trying not to. Big ol' bite. Oh. Is it not? We had to change cameras. What is your guess for what that last one was?
I think it was soy sauce.
It was not soy sauce.
So if I get this, I win the whole wager wars.
Yes.
Okay.
All right, you ready?
Is this a liquid too?
It is not.
We'll see. I don't even know what these taste like.
They're so weird.
This is for the game.
Chia seeds.
I actually don't remember what they're called, but let me check. This is
no,
actually
that
a
was
reveal.
wrong.
Here's the reveal.
Oh my gosh.
The first one was lemon juice. The second one was Worcestershire sauce. Third one is a seed, but it's poppy seeds.
Oh, that's
Alrighty,
right.
so
Aren't those the things that get you?
yeah, are you feeling okay? We're gonna have to determine a tiebreaker. This has never happened before. All right, so for this tiebreaker, we are going to be doing the football game where you start a certain distance apart. They can throw it as hard as they want as each other, but it must be a good throw or they're out. And they just have to keep throwing it back and forth. After every completion, they have to take a step back.
Let's get this hush puppy started.
All right, step back.
Performance is everything.
Oh, Caleb throws a bad throw right here. Caden is still alive, but if not, Caleb has won.
What is that?
Oh, and Caden is still alive. That was a bad throw. All right, he's got another chance.
Hey, Dak Prescott, this is for you.
Oh, Caleb's now in the hot seat. Unless Caden messes this up, he has won. Oh, and Caden Woosley wins Wager Wars 3.
Hey, hush puppies for life. Be real. I've had a reckoning. I've had an awakening. I've had an epiphany. I've had a
All right, wrap it up. This is the outro.
enlightenment. I've had an enlightenment. Thank you. The YouTube type of content that I've been trying to create for the past 2 years.
It's too small.
It's too small. It's too constricting to me.
Fit a head that big in a box that small.
You can't. I'm speaking here. Thank you. Can't fit a man of this mass into a box of that size, if you know what I mean. It's a very small box, and I'm slightly bigger than the box.
This is the outro. I need you to hurry it up.
But no, all that to say, Caden Woosley Unleashed is no more. But what is more is new YouTube channel I'm dropping. It's gonna be all about other things.
You got like 5 more.
It's gonna be a vlog, but also stay tuned for Caden Woosley Unleashed because I have more videos coming.
Okay, go watch another Black Hat Brothers video because we actually post consistently. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next one. Goodbye.